Hey everybody, today I'm coming on to share with you my new Etsy release. So let's jump in and get started and look at some of my new products. So as always, I have a few memory dexes, and this one I decided to go with like a satchel style. So what it is it actually has a flap that opens and it creates a pocket. So the idea that I had was you could put like a gift card or little, projects to give to your pen pal. So here's just some cut aparts and they fit in there just like that. And if you wanted to seal it with Velcro, you could. I just decided to do a little faux seal here with the pieces here. So what you're getting in the SVG itself is the actual base memory dex card. You're getting the flap here, you're getting the two straps, the handle, and the layering pieces here that create the closure. So the word is not included in this one, and the little pocket. The pocket is included, but it's not a rounded corner, it's a straight corner like that. So I love this one. I think it looks so cute. And if I grab out my memory dex holder, just like this, these are all the memory dexes that are available in my Etsy store. It just sits in there perfectly, rests nice and beautifully in a 4-inch one. So like I said, if you're interested in any of my memory dexes, they're all in my Etsy store. Okay, so the next memory dex for this release is an apron. So I've just decorated it up like this. What you're getting is the memory dex piece here, as well as the layering of the dress and the little band that you can see. I've decorated it up with the remember this, and I've gone with kind of like a cupcakey baking theme. Obviously it's an apron. You could also just use it as a dress. I decided to go with more of an apron theme, but I like this one. I think it looks really cute. And as well, if we get out the memory dex roller, fits in there beautifully and will stand up for you nice and tall. This is the project that I used to create it, and this actually has 2 of my files on it. So the first one is a sentiment set. It's using a particular font, and then the layering piece, this is the everyday set. So it's got words like beautiful, lovely, bloom, really simple basic words. And then also it is a cake, a cupcake SVG. So I've used it as an embellishment. There is also in the file as well a memory dex version with the layering pieces. I've just used the layering pieces. I've not used the actual memory dex base that you normally get with my files. So that's this one there, and I decided just to turn it into a cute little layering piece for an embellishment box. I do actually have a tutorial on how I put together this embellishment box that you can check out. It'll be on my channel. I don't know if it's released, but it will be soon. So yes, I really like this cupcake. I actually think it turned out really cute. So you get the heart piece, the layering top of the icing, and the cupcake liner right here. So this one looks really cute, and if you just want a sneak peek of the embellishment box. Next is a few more of my word sets. This is from the wedding word set. So it says love and laughter. It's a sentiment set. All of my sentiment sets come with 8 words as well as the layering piece. So this is 1 word here, and it says love and laughter. There's also Mr. and Mrs. I will insert a photo of what that looks like for you. So that's what it looks like, and they're really good. The reason I love getting the SVG sentiment sets is that I can size it to whatever size I want. So I've sized this one to be a title for a wedding layout that I'm doing, but then you can also size them to be kind of a small little embellishment style. So I love doing sentiment sets. Next sentiment set is a Halloween one. I've just cut out the word bat, but again it comes with 8 words. So there's like boo, witch, brew. I'll insert a photo for you. And that's what they turned out like. Again, you can size it up, size it down. I did a smaller one for this one so that I could layer it on top of a memory dex, the Halloween memory dexes that I have. And lucky last, this is a takeaway coffee cup SVG file. So what you're getting is the base piece as well as the layering piece for the cup holder, as well as the 2 layering pieces at the top. They do come with the hole cut out so that if you did want to pop in a faux straw, you could do that like so, and you have a straw. So that's if you want to do that. I just have it as the part that you drink out of. So I've just decorated it up with a little cluster here and then a word here that's been wrapped. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my new Etsy release. Check out my Etsy store. The link is down below. It is the same as my YouTube channel, Jcraft Creation. I hope you liked these new products and stay tuned to see more. Thanks for watching. Bye.